Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting the actual setup now. Open Settings and go directly to Touch ID and Passcode. You'll be asked to enter your passcode. Do that first so the iPad can authenticate changes. Once done, choose Add a Fingerprint. The system will guide you through lifts and rests. Pay attention to why. The sensor captures different angles to increase accuracy. Make sure to use a dry, clean finger. If you wear a case, remove it so the sensor is fully exposed. Now you'll perform the detailed scans. Place your finger lightly, then lift and replace at different angles. The iPad needs complete perimeter and center data. You'll see a progress animation. Continue until it reaches 100%. If a scan fails, reposition the finger or press a little firmer. Repeated tiny adjustments improve reliability. Once enrolled, give the fingerprint a memorable label and toggle the uses you want: unlocking, purchases, or autofill, so the iPad knows how to apply that Finish by testing. Lock the iPad and unlock with the enrolled finger, try an App Store purchase, and use Touch ID for autofill. If it works, you're done. If it fails intermittently, re-enroll the same finger and add another finger as a backup. Different pressure and angle matter. If problems persist, clean the sensor with a soft cloth, restart the device, and if needed, delete and reconfigure Touch ID. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves calibration and recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.